pretty sure I'm Italian, and today I'm going to make garlic broccoli sauce. And I'm going to use it with, for this one, I'm going to use it with orecchiette. So first thing, got about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, heat it up in this pan. There's 4 cloves of garlic in here. And press that into the olive oil. Just let that go for a minute until it's soft. And then there's just 2 small bunches of broccoli that I cut up real small. Throw that in there. And just mix all around, get it so it's all heated up. Okay, and turn that down just to low so it doesn't burn. And then while that's heating up, I'm going to put my pasta in the water and start cooking the pasta. That's got to go for just a couple minutes. Alright, so orecchiette is cooked, the broccoli is heated up. So I'm going to turn off both of those. I'm going to put the pasta in with the broccoli. And a 1/4 cup of pasta water in there too. And a cup of grated pecorino cheese. And get it all mixed up. And there you have it. That garlic broccoli sauce.